Let me show you how to significantly increase your Wi-Fi range and also Wi-Fi speed if you have incredibly slow speeds using a simple Wi-Fi repeater like this. So what's absolutely cool about these things, they're incredibly inexpensive. For example, for this exact one, I paid literally only like $5 with free shipping from AliExpress. For that price, it's absolutely insane. So yeah, let's check out everything we get. So inside the box, we get our Wi-Fi repeater here. And when you order it, it will come with a correct plug for your country, and setting it up is incredibly easy. So first, simply plugged in power, and it will take maybe like 30 seconds to boot up. So simply wait till it boots up. So the main purpose of this repeater is, as the name implies, is to actually extend your range. For example, if this is, let's say, your Wi-Fi connection hotspot, and for example, you are trying to basically use it with your phone, laptop, computer, basically very far away, and you simply basically can't get good enough coverage basically over long distance, you can simply place this repeater in the middle, basically somewhere in your house, and it will connect to your main router or hotspot, basically get the signal over here and pass it through on your another device essentially. So almost like extending and doubling your range overall using this simple gadget. Also, obviously, we can use it to increase our internet speed as well. So, for example, again, if you are very far away from your router or hotspot, and if you maybe only see 1 or 2 bars on your Wi-Fi, and it's taking very long to essentially fetch the signal, also your ping is high. So again, if you basically get a repeater like this, so your signal actually will get much better, your ping will get much less essentially, and again, so if you have like decent signal, again, you will even see increase in your internet speed as well. But yeah, if you're wondering if you can actually use this in general to actually increase your internet speed, then if basically you have actually like good enough coverage for your current Wi-Fi network, then nope, basically. So in the worst case, this can even give you like a even slower speed essentially, as obviously it takes extra time to basically reach this device and pass it through. So again, it introduces a bit of extra delay. So again, if you aren't bound by a range, this probably tool isn't for you. So again, the main purpose is to simply extend the range of your Wi-Fi network using it. Okay, so and to set up, it's very easy. So yeah, once it's actually booted up, so you can either use your phone or also like a computer. So I'll show you on both. First, on a phone, so this is going to create its own Wi-Fi network that you can connect to. So you would simply go in your like Wi-Fi settings, and basically, as you see, this is what this is called. For example, over here, so you click connect to it. And the first time you connect, it should actually pop open like a web page for you, like a web portal for you. I'm connected already, so probably didn't do for me. But yeah, if it doesn't, basically, yeah, do that, we can simply go in our browser and enter either of these addresses. So its IP address. So on the back, as you see, you have like its IP address listed over here. If you look closely, also the username and password as well needed for it. So you see, as soon as I enter this address here in my browser and go to it, I can get access to its like web portal where you can configure and set up. By the way, these repeaters have like a couple different versions, so this is the newest one. If you have the older version, this web portal might look slightly different. But yeah, so for example, let's go over here to search for your current Wi-Fi network, and you see it found mine over here. So I'm going to click over here, connect, enter my password of it, so of my current Wi-Fi like network, and click next and finish. It will take maybe like further 30 seconds to set up before it appears and you can actually connect to it. And then in your Wi-Fi settings, after some time, if you check, you should see a new network. So you see it's called this, for example. So let's connect to that. as you see, it's connecting. So now instead of this phone taking actually connection directly from this phone, which I'm using a hotspot, it's essentially connecting to this repeater, and this repeater is actually fetching the signal over from this phone, getting it back to the repeater, and the repeater is passing it on this phone essentially. So that's how it essentially works. And to set up using a PC, it's pretty much the same thing. So again, you would go in your Wi-Fi settings and search for that Wi-Fi network that this device is creating, so the extender something. So yeah, anyway, if you also like join the Wi-Fi network at later time, you can also access the settings of it. So again, I'm connecting to this repeater here. So you see it's connected, and again I can enter either of these addresses. So again, the older version uses this one, the newest version this one. So see, as soon as I enter this address over here in the address bar, I can also get access to the like setup screen, and also I have like a bunch of more features here in the back, so I can even do some more things with this device here. By the way, also if you have the older version, it might also ask for username and password to actually gain access to that portal to set it up. So you would simply enter admin for both username and password. Also, by the way, this like repeater also has got this WPS mode as well. So for example, if your router also has WPS, maybe like 99% of routers actually has got WPS. So again, what you would do is, so instead of actually like going to these apps, you can actually basically set it up by simply pressing this button over here. For example, if we check the manual, so as you see, everything you would do is simply go to your router, press the WPS button, and then also simply press and hold a bit this WPS button, and both of them should connect together and ultimately like set up for you. So again, you do not even have to kind of like go in that web portal I showed you. Also, what's cool about this unit is you can also use it to transform basically your like ancient router, maybe which doesn't have Wi-Fi connection, to a Wi-Fi router essentially. So you see, in this mode, essentially we can simply connect this like repeater to your router using the LAN cable, and basically it can fetch the signal using the LAN cable from your router and pass it along using Wi-Fi, which also is actually pretty cool. And overall, is this like Wi-Fi router actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, it really depends on what exactly you are going to use it. If you are going to use it as a repeater to basically get basically better coverage of your Wi-Fi network, then yep, it's essentially like absolutely crazy good. So what I'm using it myself is basically like simply like sharing my internet connection to other house nearby, basically, so another building basically on my property here, which basically doesn't have internet there essentially. So for that, it's absolutely great, and it works absolutely great. But again, so if you are simply blindly purchasing this in hopes it will maybe even increase your internet speed, and you have no idea what is actually causing your low internet speed or any stuff like that, then again, in most cases, this actually won't solve your problem. So again, if your problem is a range, it does absolutely fantastic job, and essentially can pretty much like double your Wi-Fi connection range. For this purpose, I mean, it's absolutely awesome from after using it. And again, if you also want to get it, so in the description I'll include special discount links that you can follow and get it also literally for around $5, and that also is free shipping. For this price, it's totally unbeatable. Okay, good luck.